Okay, so what we have here is the Ugreen 3-in-1 multi-connection sync and charging cable, including one made for iPhone, iPad, and iPod. Obviously, that would be the Lightning port here, and the rest of the ports are micro USB, USB-C, and the other end USB-A. Okay, so what it says here is 2.4 a current fast charge, original chip. I guess that's the chip that decides the current output. Durable weave, that refers to the braided cable itself, and this is the silver edition. Here it's 1.5 meters. That's Ugreen Vietnam here, with this little nice photo here. Okay, so it's made for all the way up to, here it says iPhone 11 Pro Max. I guess it's not the most updated cable because, as you know, the iPhone 15 lineup does no longer have the Lightning port, but USB-C instead. So let's unbox it. Here we go. Let's see what else. Oh, okay. This is the hook. Let's forget about it. It comes with a user instruction. Interesting. I've never seen a user instruction for cable before. But nevertheless, it is there. So let's put it aside. Here we have the cable itself. There we go. Wow, it looks pretty. Look at this silver braided cable. It looks really nice, really nice. Here, you can definitely feel the quality. The quality is really good. It's really good quality. Really good quality cable here, braided cable, as you can see. So it's all the way here. So you can see the base is this micro USB port here, and obviously you can plug in either the Lightning port or the USB-C port. Okay, there you have it. Okay, let's try charging it. Okay, so I have a charging brick here with me, USB-A charging brick. So unfortunately, I don't have a micro USB enabled device here to test this out. So I'm just gonna skip that and move to the Lightning port. There we go, green. Let's see if it charges. Yes, it does. Okay, what about a USB-C cable? Let's see. I have a phone here. It looks a bit dusty because I haven't been using it. Let's unplug this and try this port in. Okay, let's see if it charges. Well, there we go. It does charge. So there you have it, guys. This is the Ugreen 3-in-1 cable unboxing, 1.5 meters. Please like and subscribe for more.